I got you.
What's up, E3 OffRoad?
Guys, welcome to the Merus Adventure Park in the Palo Duro Canyon in Texas. We are at the E3 OffRoad event, and we are gonna do some trail riding today. But not only are we gonna do some crazy, wild stuff you're seeing Kevin and I do, but we've also got 101 people here who are learning the basics. We've got intermediate people here who want to challenge themselves, and then we've got, of course, the people coming with Kevin and I who want to kill themselves. But no matter what group you're in, everyone's here to have a great time, right? Yeah! Let's go do it. See how it does. Yep.
Woo! Did it hold up?
Yeah.
All right.
Did exactly what it was supposed to do. Perfect. Just a little bit of bump. So load it up a little and keep it nice and straight. I mean, it worked. Good job.
He's the one that said he's trying to break his axle.
Yeah. Right there, yep. Nice and slow. Gonna come back down in a second. Easy. That's a really great photo, by the way. Straighten out a little. Right there. Not too far, too far. Back right. Keep trying to turn.
Lock your lockers. So right
They're already locked.
There.
They're already
still? Okay.
Yeah, they never were unlocked.
Let it idle. Yep. Straighten up a little bit. Yep. Yep.
Yep, you're gonna come up and over on the passenger side. Perfect. A little more driver. There you go. Yep, stay hard passenger the whole way. There you go, yep. Perfect. Straighten out a little. There you go. There you go, keep climbing. Perfect, good job. And straighten out a little. Back driver. Perfect, yep, just like that. Yep, coming back down, easy, easy. Woohoo! Good job, straighten out. Awesome. Stay hard, passenger, slow, slow, slow. Climb right there. There you go. All right, now passenger, hard passenger. Perfect. Good job. Alright, nice and slow, slow, slow. Easy speed, yep. Slow, it'll come back down, don't worry. Straighten up, don't run me over, you're good. Alright, nice and slow, we're gonna crawl. Yep, take hard passenger. Nice and slow, yep. back down in a second. Keep coming, keep coming. All right, straighten out just a little. Right there, yep. Coming back down, yep. Perfect, just like that. Straighten out more. Perfect. All right, just gonna start climbing. Hard passenger. Yep, all the way. It's gonna feel wonky, but you're gonna pivot. Straighten out a little. All right. Take driver, and back passenger, yep. Slow, slow. There you go. Perfect, just like that. All right, back driver. Right there. And straight back out, yep. There, right there. Okay. All right, now hard passenger, hard passenger. Yep. Yeah, that's a good spot. So I think it's worth mentioning that we did have kind of like minimum requirements for vehicles to be able to join this on these challenge trails. And 38-inch tires minimum, you had to have sliders, you had to have front and rear lockers. They weren't big requirements, but they were still requirements enough to make sure we could get everyone through here safely. And even so, some of this is gonna be interesting. Hydro assist is something we probably should have made a requirement, because no hydro assist makes stuff like this really difficult when it comes to steering and like bound up situations, or when there's a lot of weight on one tire. We'll see. All right, you're gonna slowly start turning passenger as you come up. Passenger, hard passenger, stay passenger, yep. Slow, slow, keep coming. Slow, slow. All right, this part's gonna be weird. We're gonna climb this front tire all the way up onto this wall, okay? Yep, all right, slow, we're gonna go slow. You're good? Slow. All right.
He's good. Yeah, he's good, he's good, he's good.
You're good, you're good. It's gonna come back up. All right, back driver move, right there. Right there, straighten up. Straight, keep it nice and straight. Go to the backside, Kevin.
That's what she said.
And come forward. Yep. Perfect. Right, slow. Now we're gonna turn uphill. Slow, 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 slow. Right?
He's good,
Here,
yeah.
we're gonna here.
You can straighten up.
Slow.
Yep, you're good, you're good.
Down.
You're good. Good job. That's not easy without hydro assist. You need hydro assist, buddy.
That took work. Good job. Excellent job. Woo!
Good job, Brittany.
That's so hard to spot
know.
someone with no hydro
I know.
through something like that. All right, little driver. A little more. Keep going. Driver. Right there. You're good. Stay just like that. Hold on. Woo-hoo. There you go, there you go. There you go. Slow. Keep going, passenger, passenger. Yep, right there. All right, nice and slow. Maybe enough. We're hoping that's enough. Yeah, there she goes, yep. There you go, right there, yeah, perfect. How did that feel?
It felt pretty good. Thanks, Brite.
How did it feel?
Felt like I'm never gonna drive through there.
She's like, I'm never going wheeling with y'all again.
Oh yeah, I will.
Good job.
yeah.
That was great driving. Very, very good. Awesome
Better
job.
spotting.
Oh, thank you. Perfect. See what hydro assist does? Slow, slow. It's gonna come back down in the front. Right there, yep. All right, this tire's gonna start climbing. You're on the perfect line. Yep. There you go. Stay exactly where you are. Beautiful, yep. Keep it where it is. Yeah. All right. Woo. Awesome. Yep. Nice and slow right here. Nice and slow. Beautiful. That was easy peasy. Woo! Good job. A little more passenger. Hard passenger now. Woo! You've got all the turning angle. It's gonna come back down. Don't worry. Right there. All right, nice and slow. We're gonna ride up this wall. Yep, stay passenger. All right. A just a teensy bit, driver. A little more. Right there. Come forward some. A little more, driver. Right there. Beautiful, man. You're doing great. A little more, driver. Right there. Passenger, right there. Straighten out. Driver. Right there, yeah. Straighten out. Right there, perfect. Uphill you go. Woo! Awesome job, man. Great driving. Okay, start turning a little, passenger. Try to beat it to it. Yep, right there. Yep, just like that. Keep her right there. A little more, passenger. Keep going, passenger. Yep, yep, yep. Beautiful. Awesome. All right, keep it passenger. Keep it hard, passenger. You're doing good. You're almost to the wall. Woo! All right. Perfect. Now the rest of this is going to be just like you've been doing, nice and slow, okay? Perfect. All right, driver. A little bit more. Right there, right there. Slow, slow. All right, go a little bit back, passenger, and forward. Right there. All right, nice and slow. Right there, yeah, yeah, perfect. You're perfect. Keep coming. Keep coming. Good job. All right, little driver, just a little, right there, yeah. Straighten out. Right there, yep, just like that. All right, we're gonna climb on that front right. Well, my right, your left. There you go. Woohoo! Passenger. Yep, you're good. You're gonna come up in the rear and it'll settle. Stay passenger. Keep coming. You're good, you're good. All right, keep coming, just one more. Right about there. All right, nice and forward, or nice and slow forward. Yep. Yep. One more. All right, right. Unlock the front. All right, right there. Nice and slow. Yep. Perfect. Now hard driver. Woohoo! Good job.
I fucking did that. Holy shit, dude. Yeah. Yeah.
That was great.
Wow. That was exhilarating. I know I look like such a dork right now.
No, you did.
But yeah. I love this feeling. I can do hard things. Like it's the best feeling of accomplishment ever. Hands down. Nothing compares to this. I fucking love it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yep. Perfect. All right, start turning passenger. There you go, yep. Stay hard, passenger. Yep. Stay hard, passenger. Right there. All right, we're gonna start climbing this wall. Make sure you're locked front and rear. Okay. A little more. All right, straighten out some. Perfect, yep. Keep it just like it is, yep. The back's gonna fall for a second. Little driver. A little more. Right there, yep. Beautiful. Straighten out a bit. Right there. Perfect, just like it is, yep. Passenger. A little more passenger. Yep, yep. Yep, straighten out a little. There you go, yep, uphill. Woo! Good job!
No casualties.
Excellent, excellent driving, guys. I was
so
worried.
badass.
I was worried about the non-hydro assist
Vehicles,
people,
yeah. But good driving, excellent spotting.
but little finesse. It just takes a little more work, but it can be done.
Yes.
That was
I'm proud of you.
That's
and you
fantastic.
filmed it all.
And I filmed it. Well,
I mean,
you
I
filmed
filmed
one
one
of them, but I
person,
filmed the
but,
rest of
yeah.
them. Woohoo! This is a good trail. This is a good trail, Dirk. Hard passenger, yeah. Or driver, yeah. Stay closer to it. There you go. Straighten out. Oh, look at that! It's a hoodoo! Who knew? Who knew it's a hoodoo? We had a geology lesson about the Palo Duro Canyon last night, and we learned what hoodoos were. If you don't know, look it up. So we're gonna keep the front unlocked so we can steer. So it seems counterintuitive. We're gonna start going passenger. Yep, right there. A little less. Nice and slow. All right, more passenger. It seems weird, but go slow. The closer you are to that wall, the further away. Go ahead and lock the front. Pull you through there. Yep. Slow, slow, slow. All right. Hold on. We're gonna fold in your mirror. Right there, nice and slow. Perfect. There it goes. Yep, it's gonna settle. Straighten out a little. No, don't turn away from it. I know it sounds terrible. Stay against it. Passenger, yeah. There it goes. Perfect. Good job. We're gonna start turning uphill. There you go. There you go, perfect. There you go, up the hill. Stay passenger. Perfect. Follow your driver tire around this ridge here. Nice and slow. There you go, yep. Perfect. Hard driver, hard driver. Around. Pivot. There she goes, good job. Perfect. Perfect, more passenger, right there. Keep this driver tire up here, hard driver. Yep. There you go, stay hard driver all the way up. Yep, let her climb, let her bite. Perfect, good job. Yep, stay hard driver, she'll come all the way up. There you go. car drivers come to. Now you're gonna flip it around that side skirt. Beautiful. Just like that. You even got some souvenirs for later.
I know, right?
Perfect, good job. And we're gonna keep this driver's side all the way up, yep. Turn her uphill. Might have to lock the front for a second. There she goes. Perfect. Good job.
Holy shit. Yes. Dude, that is like, you're just like, she pulled her out of the car and she goes, holy shit, that's a picture of him! Like, that is roller coaster straight up. Straighten out. Straighten out. Lockers. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna wait. It's pretty level, and then you just drop straight down. Woohoo! There it is, straight down. Yep, there you go. Straighten out.
Yep, and then just keep the tires pointed downhill as you start going.
Yep, start straightening out.
Yep. There she goes. What's happening?
Little juice, you're a little bellied out. Keep going. You're good.
She's good. Yep, you good. Woohoo! Say wee all the way down. Yes! Perfect! Don't stab the brakes on your way down. Just kind of let it roll nice and easy.
Yeah. Give it some brakes.
Keep your tires pointed downhill. Yep. Beautiful. Just like that.
Okay.
A little more passenger. There you go. Let it roll, let it roll. Don't be on the brakes. There you go. Straighten up.
All my bones are dislocated. I just keep on wandering along. Got this falling over, and since then I have been everything you want.
There you go. Yep, yep. Easy. Perfect. Good job. Got different movements. Good job. Keep going. Don't stop. Good job. Keep the wheel exactly there. Throttle through this because you got to get over these. You're climbing on both rear tires. All the way up. Go for it. There you go. Perfect. Good job. You ready? Go. Stay in it, stay in it, stay in it, stay in it, stay in it. There you go. Good job. Go, 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 go. Throttle, throttle. There you go. There you go. Don't kill the cameraman. Woo! Yep, keep the wheels where it is. Go. Go, 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 go. There you go. Perfect. Good job. Alright, Kevin's doing dumb stuff. You straighten out a little. Yeah. It's not that bad. Actually, get to that bit.
Look at that bumper clearance.
Look at the bumper clearance.
Well, now where do we go?
I don't know.
We made it to the bottom.
It's almost got enough lift on that passenger side. You can go straight up it right there, I think.
There you go.
Right there, send it.
Send it! Good job. Send it,
Yeah, shooting ball.
Turn away for 2 seconds. I look over. This is what I see. Barely into that rock. It might be a little bit more than barely, but it's definitely into that rock.
There's not a tear.
That's a rip.
When I think of rip, I think it's like all the way through.
Like rain's not gonna get through that. That's scuffed.
It's a rip.
It's scuffed.
It's ripped.
I'll show you ripped.
It's a blemish.
Good job, babe.
Just do it like that.
Like that.
Just like that.
Yep, you're good. You just want to stay high, just like you are. Yep. Don't do what Kevin did. Front's gonna start coming down. There we go. You're gonna start turning uphill a little bit right there. This rear tire is kind of sketch. Stop. Perfect, good job. Nice and slow, yep. Straighten out, straighten out. Right there. There she climbs. Perfect, here comes the rear. Keep going. Good job. Yep, stay hard passenger. All right, stop right there. All right, back up straight. Yep, straight back. Right there. All right, now back passenger and forward. Right there, yeah. Straighten out a little. Oh, no! Don't go too far passenger. Straighten up a little. Right there, yeah. Now hard passenger. Slow, go slow. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yep. Come on, come on, come on. There she goes, there she goes. Yep. Gonna climb, straighten out. Perfect. There you go. And up goes the rear. Good job. Straighten out a little. There you go. Yep. Straighten out. Straighten out. Yep. Climb. Right there. Yep. Perfect. Yep. Yep. Right for the rock. Uphill. Let it climb. Straighten out a little. Perfect. Good job. Let the rears follow. Woohoo! There you go. Hard driver. You're gonna get tippy real quick. Nice and slow. Unlock. There you go. You're good. Perfect. Yeah, right there's perfect. Good. You go forward. Yep. All right, now hard passenger. All the way. Yep. We're gonna climb up that rock. Make sure you're locked. Nice and slow. Keep going. Nice and slow. You're good. Yep. 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 Keep going. Straighten up. Climb the rock. A little more passenger. Passenger. Yep. There you go. Perfect. And that's that.
Hey guys, that was pretty awesome today.
That was a lot of
These
fun, yeah.
people pushed their limits.
One of the gentlemen on the trail with us, the one right behind us with the American flag, this is his second time ever on an off-road trail. He decided to come out with us. It's amazing. But one thing I do want to say, for those of you that haven't followed our channel or seen any of our Merus videos before, so this is Dirk. He and his family own the Merus Adventure Park. They are absolutely incredible, and I just wanted to give them a shout out for letting us come out and do some really rad stuff out here. Everyone just finished eating dinner. They're going back. We're getting some sleep because we're going to do
All over again tomorrow.
all over again tomorrow.
Another video.
And
New people, more people.
yeah, new people, different trails. It's going to be amazing. But guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, you can find all of your Lite Brite Nation merch and decals at litebritstudios.com. And you can find out more about the Merus Adventure Park at
MerusAdventure.com or at Merus Adventure.
or at Merus Adventure. Guys, as always, we love you, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Mwah.
All the fast things look like you're not even listening.
Well,
Do I need to sneak in, hold it down?
Yeah, just like lay it across it.
I mean, I can't under the tire.
All right, guys, so it's almost Christmas, and in the, what is the whatever, because it's almost Christmas, I have a hat, hold on. Oh, it's right here.
Lite Brite Nation! Come on, Lite Brite Nation, you need to be out here.
We just got off the trails, and, okay, so first off, it's not planned, but walked in and I was like, that is the most Texas thing I've ever seen in my whole life. That is a full-blown Buc-ee's onesie. And I'm like, where did you get one of those? That's so cool. And he goes, you know what? I got a spare one just for you right outside. But mine's Christmas themed because by the time this video comes out, it'll probably be December anyway. So, Merry almost Christmas, everyone.
Bye-bye, Lite Brite Nation.